it's time for my stitch fix. So if you want to see what I got and how it looks on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Bandit is hiding under the bed. I'm not really sure why. And Chloe's getting ready for camp. But if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I haven't got a stitch fix in a couple of months because I've been getting so many wantables that I kind of just put this on hold for a couple of months. And I did choose 4 out of the 5 items in the box. So I will... Hopefully I still have the preview, and if I do, I'll be putting that up on the screen so you can see what I had to choose from. But we're going to get right into the box. We have our bag to send back anything we don't keep. We have our note from our stylist and ways to wear the items, and I do have Sasha again. I don't believe Danny's with them anymore because all of a sudden I got Sasha, and so we're learning each other. Here is my colorful fix. Now I do like colorful, so I was excited to see some colors. By Fortune & Ivy is this top. It's got the little keyhole in the back, but this was one of my choice items. I just really love that. This was the item that she chose. This is by Daniel Rain and super pretty. By 151 we have these pink shorts, and they look a little peach, but in person they are like a nice pretty pink. Also by 151 are these gorgeous greens. By Tribal are these peach pull-on pants. There's some little buttons at the bottom. Alright, let's get trying on some stuff. It doesn't look like there's a lot that kind of goes together, so we're just going to wing it. Okay, I am back. I put on the Daniel Rain top because I thought that that would go best with the peach pants, and it does kind of go nicely with the peach pants. I love the pants, so they're super soft and stretchy waist, but they are high waist, so they do come above my belly button, but not too high, which is nice. Alright, so it comes just above my ankles. I can't get the camera much lower than that, but I do love the pants. The shirt, I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but if I keep 4, I'll keep the 5th one. Let's look at some prices. So this is the Daniel Rain Jara Flutter Sleeve Tassel Knit in blue, $58. And the pants are by Tribal. They're the Fia Pull-On Capri with front pocket in orange, $58. So these are the 2 most expensive things in the box. So there, gives you an idea, like my belly button is here, so this is quite a bit above the belly button. Okay, I've got a couple of pairs of shorts and one more top to try on, so let's get trying on stuff. Here is that Fortune & Ivy top and the 151 shorts. Love these. These are super light, super cool. Love all the pockets. And $38. Each piece is $38. So everything else in the box, the last 3 items are each $38. Great price point. I love that. I'm appreciating that. And this is a higher rise. So again, my belly button's here. This comes to, probably could come even a little bit higher, but that's about as high as I'm really comfortable with. But great potential with these shorts, not necessarily with this top. I mean, it's not terrible with this top, but definitely have some cute tops that I could wear with it. And I have one more pair of shorts, so I'm going to keep on this top but change out these. here are those last shorts, buy one, 5-1. And again, they are $38, and I love the color. Super cute. I love that little kind of pocket right there. You know, I haven't put anything in it, but it is cute. It's a cute little detail. So some tough choices here. I love the shorts. If I had to choose between the green and the pink, I do like the green a little bit better. I just think they fit a little bit nicer. But I mean, $38 isn't a bad price to keep both of them, and a lot of different things could go with this as well. So, you know, I will give it some thoughts. I will, as I edit, let you know what I decided to keep. But some great choices this time. Okay, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.